President William Ruto Niwakathiia Truphena Muthoni Unavunzisye rekodi ya Kwikwatila Muti kwa Ilungu ya Masaa miongo muonza na eli Vate Kuthyumua na Vala Waweta Kana Wonanio Museo na Muno Kavindani Nthi Yonthe Yiendeeye Kusukumiia Kusuvia Mawithyululuko. President Ruto Ingi Niwamutwikithya Truphena basanda wa Iseso ya Kuvanda miti bilioni 15 na Kumunenga Ndeve ya HSC kwa kuyumya kutetea na Kusuvia Mawithyululuko na Ingi kumwadha ndambuka ya Nthi ya Brazil.
Trying to tell people to go back to nature for healing, and especially people, because we have mental health crisis across the world that is directly connected to environmental degradation, like wildfires. Even here in Kenya we have wildfires, and floods and droughts, and victims have post-traumatic stress disorder. The other thing is to help people to fall in love with nature, because I believe that conservation begins with love, and that before we plant 1,000,000 trees, we must nurture 1,000,000 hearts that care.
You have said something also very profound. We have a real serious problem of mental health.
Yes.
You know, and therefore, whatever it is that we can do, whatever contributions that we can make to assist with, you know, supporting the people who would otherwise suffer from mental health, just maybe by associating with nature, you know, and you know, people cooling down, and it's amazing. I mean, I can't believe this. This is profound.
Thank you.
Yeah, I am sure that it's going to have a big impact.
Yes.
That people will think about trees much more positively.
Sure.
And cutting down a tree, you have to really think.
Sure.